Tesla update now. So in the last video, I said we needed to hold 179 like 65 for this to be considered a five-way move to the upside, and we didn't get it. So that was not good. We came down here and we actually broke through. There was another demand zone right here, a daily demand zone right here. We broke through it. And so now looking at this on smaller time frames, trying to figure out what it is, I think this is actually a ABC move. It looks to me like an ABC move, so that's what it looks like to me. So I think there's a very good chance that we're looking at a move down here to daily demand. This was ABC. Well, yeah, there's ABC, ABC, ABC. It was a W wave. This would be an X wave. So I'm looking for one more move down here tomorrow morning to like 172. And then I'm looking for a move higher. That move higher, I'm looking for it to go probably up here to fill the gap at 192. So I think that 192 can hit. The gap fill can hit. And I think that this is going to end up being overall just a B wave. So W, X, Y, like that. So you have A down here. This is A now. This is not the B wave. This was the overall A. This is A. Now we're at W, X, Y. So that means this would end up being something like this. Maybe, let's say tomorrow if we finish, that would take us all the way to like the 27th. You're probably looking at something in early June. Early June, we hit like 192. And then from there, you can draw a parallel line from there. And now we are heading down here. So that means we'd be heading down like that. And then that would be the C wave. So we would have A, B, C down here to potentially the low 160s, which we'll have to see where that is with the moving averages. I would like for this to go higher than that. It's possible it goes higher than that too. I would like this to go all the way up here to the very top, but we'll see. That's what it looks like right now. I guess this could turn into being a more deeper correction, but I don't think so. You can see here on the 15-minute time frame, we've already gone through. We're at -2 standard deviations. So, yeah, I think this is pretty much finished. I'm looking to buy the dip down here and run it up here to 192. That would make sense. We have 167, 172. We hit 186. Takes us to about 190. If it were to fall all the way down here, then I would look at it differently, though. I would be looking at it then as just W, X, Y, back up here to 186. So it just depends on where it ends at. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but overall, it really sucks. I was really hoping this was going to be the start of the move higher, but it invalidated it. So that just means that we're waiting longer for this to happen. And if you look at the length of this move, it is about 10 days. There's a chance that we get up here and we fall and we bottom around the date where Musk is going to have all the votes in, and we're going to see if he gets his compensation package or not. So that will make it kind of interesting. If it does fall down here around that time, I would be looking to be bullish on that. I have no idea if he's going to get it or not, but we'll see what happens. So overall, we're still just playing between these two boxes. We have this daily demand, hit here, bounce. We're probably going to hit it again and bounce again. So anyway, that's it for Tesla today. Look for a little bit more downside tomorrow, and then I'm buying the dip and looking for a move to probably 190. At the lowest, maybe like 186, 187. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you're thinking about this. You think we're going to go up higher here to 230 by next earnings? I would say that makes a lot of sense. If this hits, let's say by June 3rd this hits, that's going to take it probably down here to the bottom around June 12th. And then that just means we're probably looking at something around earnings up in this area. So that's what I think. Anyway, that's it. Have a good night.